Welcome to my Viral Splash Pro System review post. In the ever-evolving landscape of online entrepreneurship, opportunities and systems emerge that promise to simplify the path to success. The Viral Splash Pro System is one such beacon in the digital realm. As we delve into this review, we'll explore the ins and outs of this system, designed to empower individuals seeking online prosperity. This comprehensive review will uncover the essential features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Viral Splash Pro system, shedding light on what it offers and whether it's a worthwhile investment. Whether you're an aspiring online marketer, a beginner looking for a proven system, or an entrepreneur seeking to streamline your online journey, this review aims to provide you with the insights needed to make an informed decision about the Viral Splash Pro system. Let's embark on this exploration of a tool that might just be the catalyst for your online success. Overview: Viral Splash Pro System Review. Vendor: Ahmed Ali. Product name: Viral Splash Pro System. Launch date: October 21st, 2023. Front-end price: $197. Bonuses: yes, refund. Covered BR 30-day money-back guarantee. Recommended: highly recommended. What is the Viral Splash Basic System? The Viral Splash Basic System represents a potent marketing funnel. You can duplicate and employ this system to build a substantial email list at no cost, leveraging the efforts of others. It also boasts a built-in viral traffic generation feature and a recurring income stream. Furthermore, it enables you to promote two primary businesses, and you can utilize the basic funnel entirely for free. The option to upgrade the integrated programs is available but not mandatory. What is the Viral Splash Pro system? The Viral Splash Pro system is essentially a clone of the basic funnel, with an entire training area in the backend. You have the freedom to customize and monetize the training area by incorporating your affiliate links for all the programs. Those who join through your funnel will, in turn, promote their own clone to encourage others to utilize your funnel and so forth, a concept known as viral leveraging. As a result, you will construct a viral email list and gain social media followers, guiding all members through your training area, and enjoying an abundance of traffic to your affiliate links and primary business. Viral Splash Pro System Review. What's included? Here's what you'll receive: your personalized Viral Splash Pro System page. This is a ready-made landing page that you can tailor with your own branding and affiliate links. It's designed to convert visitors into leads and sales and includes a lead capture form, a video sales letter, a call to action button, social proof elements, comprehensive step-by-step video course. It's a straightforward and quick way to get started. Access to an exclusive members community. This community lets you connect with fellow Viral Splash Pro system users and receive assistance and support from the systems team. Act now and unlock these 100% free bonus.